how to create a GIF in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a GIF using CapCut in just a few simple steps. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone, and now here, once you're inside the CapCut, just tap on the new video option. And now here, once you are inside this section, then you can simply select the photo or the video that you want to turn into GIF. And here I will just import the short videos, and here once selected, I'll just tap on add at the bottom right. And now here, GIFs are usually very short, so we need to trim the videos. So just select the small section of the video is just about 2 seconds, and there you can just tap on split and trim it, and this short clip will be a GIF. And with that, you can just delete the rest of the clip, and once you have done that, you can just tap on export, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you have done that, you just have to wait for CapCut to process the videos, and after exporting, your GIF is done. Now you can use it wherever you want. And that's it. That's how you can create a GIF easily on CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.